Here is my overnight oats operation, slightly modified from, well, it's actually one of my favorites. I love muesli, and raw oats actually are really good. So these are oats that are soaked. That was the last end product, and I make batches. I add a little bit of Celtic sea salt for a little flavoring, and also the minerals. It's like really good, healthier for you even than Himalayan sea salt. And I know we all hate sugar, but this one is low glycemic, and just a little bit to add some flavor. And then using almond milk, mixing it all up, soaking it overnight. And when I had shredded coconut, I added that too. And here, this has a cinnamon stick inside it too. And I actually add water as well as almond milk. I hope you enjoy.